Yes, so now we are going to discuss the root mean square value, that is RMS value, effective value or virtual value of AC. The RMS value or effective value or virtual value of AC is that value of current which produces the same heating effect as is done by DC in the same time interval. Means ये AC करंट से जितना भी हीट एनर्जी डेवलप होगी एसी के लिए उतना ही हीट एनर्जी सेम अमाउंट ऑफ करंट में डेवलप होनी चाहिए जब करंट कैसा हो, डीसी हो. द सेम अमाउंट ऑफ करंट पास फॉर द सेम टाइम इंटरवल produces the same heating effect in DC. So then that value of AC is called as effective value or RMS value or virtual value. RMS means root mean square, right? As I told you, the current is I1, I2, I3, different current at different time. तो हम क्या करते हैं, इफेक्टिव वैल्यू निकालने के लिए सबका स्क्वायर करते हैं. RMS, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी स्क्वायर, then we take the mean, divide all the values by the number of values and finally take the root, right? So that is what we have done in 11th standard, but now here we will derive the value by calculus. With the help of calculus we will derive the value. Whenever there are discrete values we always take the help of calculus. Which calculus? Integration ka help we will take, right? So RMS value or this value, suppose for a small time interval current is I1, for second time interval current is I2, for third time interval current is IT. So what I have taken? I have taken let current is passed for a small time interval for small time dt. हमने small time dt के लिए करंट कराया पास, तो हीट एनर्जी भी स्मॉल टाइम इंटरवल के लिए ही जनरेट होगी. सो व्हाट विल बी द स्मॉल हीट एनर्जी? I square R dt. When we are talking about virtual value or effective value or this value, तो हम इसको IV square dt कह देंगे. Equation 1, right? But we know that, yes, we know that what is the current in AC? AC में करंट कितना होता है? I naught sin omega t. Is that clear? Yes. So dH will be, this is for virtual value, so dH will be I naught sin omega t का square R dt, right? So dH will be I naught square sin omega t square R dt. How to find the total heat energy? That will be the integration 0 to H I naught square R integration of Z, because we are finding heat energy for the complete time interval from 0 to T, one complete cycle, ये पूरी complete cycle के लिए. So the limits will be 0 to T sin square omega t dt, which can be written as I naught square R, yes, sin square, okay, first I will convert it. We can write it as 1 minus cos 2 omega t upon sin square omega t can be written as 1 minus cos 2 theta, yes, 1 minus cos 2 omega t dt. ये 2 भी बाहर ले लेंगे. So it will be I naught square R by 2, limits we will put 0 to t. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 0 टू t dt माइनस ये 2 बाहर ले लिया है, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ cos 2 omega t dt. प्लीज क्रॉस चेक if I am right. So what can be written? We can write it as I naught square R upon 2 dt is t, put the limits t minus 0 minus cos 2 omega t will be sin 2 omega t upon 2 omega, minus will also come, cos 2 omega t, yes, minus will also come, na, right, if I am not wrong. cos 2 omega t is sin 2 omega t upon 2 omega 0 to t, right? So this becomes I naught square r by 2 t minus, putting the limits, 1 upon 2 omega क्या आ जाएगा, sin 2 omega capital T minus sin 0 degree. Omega t can be written as omega is equals to 2 pi by t. So omega t can be written as 2 pi, right? So this is 2 pi. We can write this as 2 pi. So what it becomes? It becomes I naught square r by 2 into t minus 1 upon 2 omega, yes, sin 4 pi minus, what is sin 0? 0, right? What is sin 4 pi? Sin 4 pi will also be 0. I naught square r by 2 in bracket t minus 0. This is also 0, right? So this whole thing becomes 0. So heat energy कितना आ गया हमारा? Heat energy is I naught square r t by 2, equation 2. This is the expression for heat energy, right? But what expression it should be? अगर virtual value की हम बात करें तो क्या expression होना चाहिए? IV square r dt should be the expression for the energy, right? So comparing equation 1 and 2. The chapter has so many derivations. So heat energy should be, yeah, from this heat energy should be IV square R T, equation 3. But what we have derived? We have derived this as I naught square R T by 2 is equals to IV square R T. ये cancel हो गया. IV square is equals to I naught square by 2, and we can write IV is equals to under root of I naught square by 2. What is the expression? IV, virtual value or IRMS or I effective should be what? It should be I naught over root 2. Wherever we need to get the virtual value, it should be I naught by root 2. Now if we solve it mathematically, yes, if we solve it mathematically, then IV comes out to be 1 over root 2 into I naught. 1 over root 2 को जब हम solve करेंगे तो ये value आती है 0.707 times I naught. Solving this, we can also write IV is 70.7% of I naught. What is the average value? 63.7%. And what is the effective value when we are calculating the heat for one complete cycle? तो उस करंट का जो भी ऑल्टरनेटिंग करंट आप यूज करो उसका कितना इफेक्टिव वैल्यू सर्किट में हमें लेना है? इट इज ऑलवेज 70% ऑफ द पीक वैल्यू. 71 यू कैन से 70.7% ऑफ पीक वैल्यू राउंडेड ऑफ टू अप्रोक्सीमेटली 71% वैल्यू. 71% of the peak value is the effective value or RMS value or virtual value of current in the circuit, right?